What's going on, Track Life fam? Track Life, Track Pat fam. What is he doing? Hey, whoa there, buddy. Let him over. Anyway, we is back. Day 29. Same old, different story. Today, we wrecked the truck. He wrecked it.
I ain't wrecked nothing. That was the guy behind us.
He didn't wreck it. I wrecked it. Bro, the guy behind us was doing too much. And honestly, I couldn't focus. And I really forgot that it was like a concrete block in front of us. You know what? I'm just not even going to talk about it. I'm going to just show y'all a little clip. Damn, I can't even back up. Back up like that. Back up. Well, get the fuck back. I'm trying to back up.
He's just not moving.
Well, we'll stay here. Fuck. Watch out, move your head. Is that something? Fuck. All that dumb shit. Get the fuck back. Get back, bro. You're gonna have to go. Fuck. Just what my baby needed. Look at that. Now, if I feel some water touch me, oh no. Oh no. We getting, what the fuck? Why are we stuck? Yo.
Cool with the backside being open?
Yeah, we're good. I'm trying to figure out why we stopping this shit. Man, don't stop me for that shit, boy. Keep going. So y'all cool with the back? Actually, no. Alright, y'all, so we made it back, or made it out, and the truck is clean, but I see speckles. Why is there little speckles right there? Anyway, other than that, truck clean, I feel good, I can see everything, feel me? Truck look nice and white, but we sitting in traffic like always. We're still gonna get to our destination on time. So, yeah. Then I'm gonna catch y'all at the house and we're gonna check on the babies. The babies. I don't even know we're gonna, well, actually I do know we're gonna eat. Got some hibachi. You gonna eat that?
What?
Split that hibachi with me.
Sure.
So we don't gotta spend money.
Okay.
Unless you want some.
I'll split it. I still have a bit of my stuff left.
Oh yeah, you do. I think I might go and get that again. I feel like that wasn't even a meal, that was a snack. No. But anyway, Jorge. We got the same truck, buddy. You just got a diesel. Anyway, we out, y'all. Alright, y'all. We done made it back in the house. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, that count. That count. Say it again. Say it again. Say hi. Well, y'all, we just made it back in. Now you want to say hey. Okay, tell me what's up. Mwah.
She don't like that. But anyway, we made it back into the house. Not bad. Had a great day. But we're done. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. There you go. And we out. Okay, no more.